Are you sending proposals on Upwork every single day, but still getting zero replies? No interviews, no clients, no earnings. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you because the biggest mistake beginners make on Upwork is thinking they need years of experience, dozens of reviews, or a perfect profile before they can get clients. That's completely wrong. In this video, I'll show you the exact strategy beginners can use to get their first Upwork client fast, even if they have zero reviews, zero earnings, and no previous Upwork experience. These are practical methods that actually work in 2026, not outdated advice. We'll cover how to optimize your profile, how to send proposals that clients actually reply to, which jobs beginners should target, and the biggest mistakes stopping most freelancers from getting hired. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share a simple trick that can dramatically increase your chances of getting your first response. Let's start. The first thing clients check before replying to your proposal is your profile. And most beginners lose clients before the client even reads their proposal. Why? Because their profile looks empty, generic, or unprofessional. Here's how to fix that. First, never write a boring title like web developer or graphic designer. Instead, write a result-focused title. For example, React front-end developer creating fast and modern websites, or YouTube thumbnail designer helping channels increase CTR. Now the client immediately understands what you do and the value you provide. Second, your profile description should focus on the client's problems, not just your skills. Bad example, I know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. Good example, I help businesses create modern, responsive websites that load fast and look professional on every device. See the difference? Clients care more about results than technologies. Third, add portfolio samples, even if you never worked with a real client before. This is extremely important. You can create demo landing pages, thumbnail designs, UI redesign concepts, practice. Clients want proof of skill, not proof of employment history. And finally, use a professional profile photo, clear lighting, simple background, friendly expression. A trustworthy profile alone can massively improve your chances of getting replies. Now let's talk about the thing that actually gets clients, your proposal. Most beginners send proposals like this: "Hi sir, I can do this job, please hire me." And then they wonder why nobody replies. Clients receive dozens, sometimes hundreds of proposals. So your first two lines matter the most. You need to immediately show that you understand the client's problem. You read the job post carefully and you can provide a solution. Here's a much better structure. Start with a personalized opening. For example, I checked your landing page project and I already noticed 2 areas where the mobile layout can be improved. This instantly grabs attention. Next, briefly explain how you would solve the problem. Keep it short and specific. Then, mention relevant work or portfolio samples. And finally, end with a simple call to action like, "If you want, I can also create a quick mock-up idea before we start." That line works extremely well because it lowers the client's risk. Now, here's another important tip. Don't apply to jobs with 50+ proposals. Instead, target fresh jobs with less than 10 proposals recent posting time. Clear descriptions, verified payment methods, these jobs give beginners a much higher chance of getting noticed. Also, avoid writing very long proposals. Most clients scan proposals quickly. Short, personalized, and solution-focused proposals perform much better. And one more thing, quality beats quantity. Sending 5 strong proposals is far better than sending 50 copy-paste proposals. Here's the truth most people won't tell you about Upwork. Getting your first client is the hardest part, but once you get that first review, things become much easier. That's why your goal right now is not making thousands of dollars. Your goal is getting that first successful project. So focus on building trust, sending smart proposals, improving your profile, and staying consistent. Most people quit too early. They send proposals for 3 days, get no replies, and give up. But freelancers who stay consistent and improve their approach usually succeed. And remember, clients are not just hiring skills, they're hiring communication, professionalism, and reliability. If you apply the methods from this video correctly, you'll already be ahead of most beginners on Upwork. And if this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because I'll also share winning proposal templates, profile optimization tips, and real strategies to grow on Upwork as a beginner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.